All right, just when you thought I didn't have enough dumb stuff to do, my neighbor throws out a whole bunch of grapevines. So what you can do is you can get some of this stuff, this, I don't know, rooting, I don't think this brand, focus, oh, there you go. So that's some sort of rooting hormone. I don't think it matters what kind you get. This is the best stuff Walmart had. And then you take a piece of grapevine that is, they say a pencil thickness or larger, and one that has a bunch of nodes on it. And you want to cut, no, one site says cut it on an angle, one site says cut it straight, so I've been kind of doing a little bit of both. So I cut it on an angle, and you lick the end of it. I don't know if that's important or not, other than getting it wet. Then you put it, gotta cut off this stuff. Then you gotta put it in the rooting hormone. Put it in the rooting hormone, and you wanna tap it off. And then I've got a few buckets here that I put a mixture of 1/3 peat moss, 2/3 like potting soil, and then I've just been sticking them in. I think it'd be better. You're supposed to have a foot-long piece, and you're supposed to have it 2 or 3 nodes in. I don't know that I'm necessarily deep enough for that because the pail's maybe only 10 inches. So just gonna put a bunch of these in here. I did this last year and we had a handful of them that sprouted. So maybe we'll see the same thing this year, and then we'll have grapevines. Problem is I don't know what, he's got like 10 different kinds. I don't know what's what here. So whatever sprouts, and we'll see what kind of grapes we get. All right, these are a couple of the ones I did last year. You can see this one here. I think this is just from last year yet. That one sprouted and it grew. A couple of these other ones, I think. This was new growth from last year. These other two might just be wooden sticks that I've got left in here. A couple of them I cut like I did and I stuck them outside next to the swing set and a few other spots. So,
I'm doing mine.
and what are you guys working on here? You're shaving them all down? Yeah?
Yep.
And then that's going to do what?
Best part.
Oh, it's the best part. Okay, so like I said, this is what we had last year. I'll probably try planting these. And then I'll probably fill up those 2 little pails and see what sprouts out of that. And maybe transplant those. And maybe, I don't know what I'll do with the rest of this. I'm not going to cut all of it up, but got it out of my neighbor's hands so he didn't have to deal with it. All right, have fun.